Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious crab meatballs. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pound of fresh crab meat, half a cup of breadcrumbs, and your preferred seasonings. You'll also need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a baking sheet. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, gently combine your fresh crab meat with the breadcrumbs and seasonings. Next, add the egg, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard. Mix everything until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Finally, form the mixture into small, uniform balls, about 1.5 inches in diameter. It's time to bake. Carefully place your perfectly formed crab balls onto the prepared baking sheet. Pop them into your preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color. For food safety, ensure their internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit before serving. Your delicious homemade crab meatballs are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with fresh lemon wedges, a zesty tartar sauce, or a spicy aioli. They're perfect as an appetizer for guests or a delightful light meal for yourself. Remember to check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals we've put together for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.